All right, well, we got something different today. Let's take a look, see what we got. So today we're not playing in no dirt or nothing like that. We got to do a little repair here on a building, so it's kind of unique. Well, what we got to do here is you see this is concrete right here beside these windows, and it sticks out about 8.5 inches or so. So this building's probably 50, 60 years old, but over time, what has happened is cracks have developed in this concrete. The water got in it and froze and expanded and broke it. So they're fixing to paint this. So I need to get this fixed. You can see right here, this has been quite a while. They had silicone or something where they had caulked it years ago. No rebar is pretty much rusted out. So what we're going to do to fix all this is we're going to form this up, put the 2x10s on the side, tap condom in on each side, and then put us a 2x6 across the front to create the front form. And put some rebar in there, drill it, insert it, mixes up a good mortar mix, concrete, and pour it in there. And then we have to come back and put a scratch coat on it. So what we're going to start out doing is we're going to get rid of all this loose stuff and just get it prepped, knock these sharp edges down, and then we'll start forming. Well, we could tell there had been caulking run down here, so we took the grinder, run down that, and that lets us see just how bad that's cracked. Even though this hasn't broke off, that's caulk right there, cracked all the way down, and that crack goes all the way down to there. So I think we're going to go ahead and just take the demo saw. We're going to cut the front off of this, see if we can't get that fracture out of there. Well, as you see, we got all the forms off, and boy, we getting this loved up good. We got our main man, Aaron, up here. He getting her slicked up. Look at that nice. Look how nice that looks right there. I think they're gonna be real happy with this. Yeah. He's working on the front a little bit, and we're pretty close. Pretty close. Long ways from what it looked like the other day.
Hey, Chad, this pipe over here need a hole in it. It's not a thing. Ooh, stink.